Yo, what is going on YouTube? This updated video today is going to be showing you how to get mods in Scary Baboon. This is working in 2026 and it's going to allow you to get a secret built-in mod menu. So this is no third-party install. This requires no PC and no Discord. This is literally a Scary Baboon code that you can redeem and is going to unlock a secret developer mod menu. So before I show you how to get mods in Scary Baboon, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm always searching for updated methods. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into the tutorial. So like I said, this is a no PC method, so you do need to use your mobile phone internet browser to obtain this Scary Baboon code. So open up the internet on your mobile, go to www.crashcoupons.com. So type it exactly like this. Make sure you type www.crashcoupons.com and this is going to bring you to a awesome codes website. Now I've actually been using these for other VR games such as Animal Company and Gorilla Tag. But then I started to play Scary Baboon, so this is the first place I checked and they actually have a page on here. So I do recommend you use the search bar and type in Scary Baboon and you're looking for this page, guys. There are a few different codes available, so what you're going to want to do is basically scroll down and look for the mod menu code. Get access to secret mod menu in Scary Baboon. So click on get code. This is a simple code that you can redeem in-game and it is going to unlock a mod menu. So this is the already built-in secret developer mod menu, guys. Now this is a code that you need to unlock. As you can see, there's 926 codes. So these are limited and it prevents people basically stealing all of the codes. So you need to unlock your Scary Baboon mod menu code. So click on this button and then just simply follow the instructions you see on this screen here, guys. It is really easy, so don't panic. It only takes about 5 minutes to do this. You just need to complete 2 of the 3 tasks on this page to unlock your Crash Coupons code and make sure you follow the instructions for two of them. So basically you're going to have a list. I've got 4. You may see slightly different ones. These are different for different people depending on your country and whatever. And they're always going to be completely free and they're really easy things like installing and opening mobile apps. You may see like free surveys. You may even see ones where you just have to play games until like completing like level 3 and stuff like that, you know. So yeah, just follow the instructions and it's going to take you about 5 minutes, but fully complete 2 of those and it's going to send you back to this page on Crash Coupons and your Scary Baboon mod menu code will be revealed. So you simply grab the code from the box, redeem it in game, and that is how to get mods in Scary Baboon with no PC, no Discord in 2026. Go to Crash Coupons, guys, and then use the search bar at the top to find the Scary Baboon VR codes page and just select the mod menu code. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe and I'll see you in my next tutorial.